Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Wakarullah, and today I would like to teach you about the greetings in Pashto. So if you are from English language and Pashto is not your native language and you want to greet someone who is speaking Pashto, so it is very easy. And in contrast to English, Pashto has universal greetings that is called Assalam-o-Alaikum. In English, it is written as Assalam-o-Alaikum, and the Pashto, Urdu, and Arabic, it is written as shown over here, Assalamu-Alaikum. In English, if you are meeting someone, so you say hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. It depends upon the timing. However, in Pashto, it is very simple and easy. There is a universal greetings that is called Assalamu Alaikum. So I think it is very easy as compared to English. You don't need to remember the timings, that at which time you should speak which greeting. So remember, it is Assalamu Alaikum, and sometimes it is more extended. For example, Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. However, if you say Assalamu Alaikum to someone, it is enough. I hope this lecture is uh, adding to the Pashto. I hope this lecture is giving you the benefit to learn the Pashto in a simple manner. Thank you very much.